Hey, to copy folders on your Google Drive, all you have to do is just select your folder, then click on this three dots and select download. Now you have to wait for the downloading process. When you select any other file like this one, as you can see, there's like function to make a copy, but for the folders is actually not supported. So we have to bypass this. And now when it was downloaded, you will have to actually open your downloads. So that's how it looks in my case. You will have to actually extract your file. So click on it with the right mouse button, and I can recommend you to use the WinRAR, for example. Select your folder and then just click to extract without confirmation. Okay, I already have this folder just right here, and now I have to click and hold it and then drag into my Google Drive. Now, as you can see, I've got information that there's like already existing folder in this location with the same name. So I have to select keep both folders, and then I have to click to upload. Now, as you can see, I've got the same folders on my Google Drive. And if you want to find them much easier, just go to the home and select folders. And here, click to show more folders, and here you can find both the same folders. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.